From running billion-dollar businesses to managing our day-to-day life, apps are everywhere. But how did we get to this point where apps are everything? Let's go back in history. In 1948, Tom Kilburn wrote and executed the first electronically stored program using machine language. This program took 52 minutes to find the highest proper factor of an integer. Then, one after the other, programs were developed all over the world. Eventually, users moved from mechanical to personal computers. In 1978, Dan Bricklin built the first killer software, VisiCalc, for the Apple II, using an assembler language. And in the next 2 decades, many significant productivity and business programs were built using third-generation programming languages. Then, in the 21st century, applications became ubiquitous and have changed our lives forever. Business leaders, employees, consumers alike called for solutions that provided them with instant and easy access to data across multiple devices. This continued demand for apps put tremendous pressure on the industries to deploy apps quicker than ever before. So organizations started looking for options to build apps faster and cheaper than the traditional way. Like the saying goes, necessity is the mother of invention. And this necessity for simplicity and speed resulted in what is now called low-code technology. Low-code is a new way to build custom applications on development platforms that abstract the laborious process of writing code by hand. Creating low-code apps is like making coffee with a coffee machine. You don't need to know how the coffee machine works internally to brew a fresh cup of coffee. Low-code platforms provide a visual interface to build applications, yet offering the same results as a traditional programming approach. Low-code platforms have made application development much easier for all of us, and many global enterprises are embracing the technology to build apps 10 times faster. Once, only experts were able to create software. But today, anybody with a business need can build a custom application with little to no coding. We don't know where we'll end up in the future, but without a doubt, low-code is a significant milestone in the software world. And it has already bridged the gap between business and IT solutions.